Well, hello to all my fellow public aspirants. If you are someone who wishes to seek admission into the Presidency University Kolkata for their undergraduate English program in the year 2026, then this video is surely for you. A lot of you have been asking me questions about what exactly is the syllabus for the entrance test to presidency. Is it the 11th, 12th syllabus or is it something more? Then let me tell it to you. No, it's not just the 11th, 12th syllabus for English. It's completely honors level syllabus. The first aspect of the exam is that it is MCQ based test. It has 50 questions, and in those 50 questions, the majority of the questions would be from history of English literature. Yes, and for this, I would advise you to read two books. You can either go with William J. Long or you can prefer the Edward Albert, which is easier. I would make a separate video about this. Also, the fact that apart from these eras, you will please focus on the type, what was the historical background of the era, what were the important writers, their important works, the plot summaries of those works, the important characters in those works, as well as if there is something important to the writing style of those works, as well as the date of publication, and let's say if you get questions regarding the themes or even from the life of the author himself, or if there is something significant which is associated with the author's distinct writing style, or maybe he invented something, let's say the sonnet inventor, or maybe the sonnet sequence inventor. So we have these specific writers who are important for these notable discoveries, or you can say creations into English literature. So please focus on that. Apart from that, I would also suggest you to read with the literary devices. Don't just stick to the ones which you might have read in your 11th or 12th, like the simile metaphor. Please go beyond that. Try to read as many literary devices as possible, like chiasmus, zeugma, litotes, euphemism, stuff like that. Apart from that, the award winners, specifically the Nobel Prize for English Literature winners across different years, the Sahitya Academy Award, the Raymond Magsaysay Award, the Jnanpith Award, the important awards which exist for English literature. Please read through that. You can also start reading some other bits that includes the American literature, also some contemporary Indian writers like, let's say, Salman Rushdie, R.K. Narayan, their works, Arundhati Ray. These are a little bit important considering it's your pub date. And also some other foreign writers and their important works, let's say the African literature, or the feminist writers, or let's say writers from Japan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, the neighbors,